Hey there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a first look at something I'm really excited about. And that is the brand new ZENIKO ZA12 camera flash. And here it is, guys. The new ZENIKO ZA12 onboard camera flash. I'm not sure if you can see it. We have a couple of dials here. It's much different from the older models. They didn't have dials, they just had LEDs here for the intensity of the flash. But here they've inserted two dials, which are, let me take a look. We've got the f-stop here, and here we have the intensity of the flash, and we also have the ISO. I'm going to show you a few images I took with this flash, and you're going to be surprised by the output. The small thing here that can fit in your pocket promises faster recycling, cleaner light, and smarter features packed into a super compact design. I mean, just look at the size of it, guys. You can use this instead of using one of those big flashes you have on your camera. But remember, guys, it's not a TTL flash. It's just something that can brighten up your images in those dark spaces. But guys, it really packs a punch. So guys, if you're just someone who wants to level up their lighting game, this might just be the flash that changes everything. So let's fire it up, everyone, test it out, and see what the ZA12 can really do. So let's begin. I'm gonna fire it up. Just has a small button here. I don't know if you can see it. You have the on switch, and you have a small LED that lights up once you switch it on. What you need to do. Here you have the aperture ring, the aperture dial, and you set this aperture dial to your aperture on your camera. They have to be the same. So if this is set on f8, set your camera aperture to f8 also. And here we have the intensity of the flash. We have 1/64 of a second, 1/32, 1/8, a quarter, a half, and then you have the full intensity of the flash. And on the other side, you have the ISO that goes down to 50, then 100, 200, 400, 800, and 1600. I'm gonna fire it up by pressing the button at the back here, and you can see the intensity of the flash. And I'm gonna put it on full. You might want to wear some sunglasses for this. So back away a bit and I'll show you the intensity. Well, that was it, guys, the intensity of the flash. But now I'm going to show you some images I took earlier this morning, and I'll show you the different stages of each flash shot which I took with my camera. So let me just go and grab the images. We'll head over to the computer and I'll show you what's going on about this flash. So here are the images I took, guys. This is the first image, which was set on the flash itself to 1/60th of a second. On here on the right side, under the histogram up here, we have the camera settings, ISO 160, shot at 18mm with an f-stop of 2.8. And this is the shutter speed of the camera. So this was set on the shutter speed, on the flash I mean. So the next image is going up a bit more to 1/30th of a second. You can see the image getting brighter, and that's 1/16. Remember, this is the dial settings on the flash itself. And here we're on 1/8. No, sorry, 1/4 now. And here we're on half a second, and here we're on full mode. And you can see it's quite bright. So you have to choose which one suits your settings. It's depending on the light where your subject is. I'm going to head over to the next image. And this was set, it was taken without the flash on. And here we have the next image, which was on full power here. And I reduced it where I think the light is good. And next I'm going to head over to the next set of images. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the first image of this dartboard was taken without the flash. And again, through each stage, you can see it's getting brighter and brighter. Until we get to full mode, which is the next image here. And as you can see, it's very, very bright. So from these images, I guess I will choose here, always depending on the source of light where you are. And this was taken outside. Well, there we have it, everyone. I thank you for watching the video. It was a short review on the ZENIKO ZA12, the on-camera flash. If you think it suits your mode, then check the description below and you will see the links for you to purchase. This is the latest model of the ZENIKO flash. I'll be taking this flash with me. I'll be going abroad in a couple of weeks' time, and I'm sure it's going to come really handy, as like I said, it can fit in your pocket. And you don't need one of them really big flashes. I'll be doing some street photography, most probably in the evening, and I think it will come in use there. Thank you guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, a thumbs up, and share the video and leave any comments below. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.